Good afternoon. My name is Maria Fernanda Marin, and today I want to talk to you about an amazing place to visit in Bogota. This section I show is where to go, and I decided to talk about the Maloco Interactive Museum. I chose this section because I really enjoy learning new. Then, in a fun way, Bogota has many amazing museums, but I decided to talk about two of them, Maloca and the Gold Museum, because both combine learning and culture in unique ways. First, Maloca is an interactive museum where you can check out exhibitions about science, nature, technology, and education. Its name, Maloca, in the indigenous language, means a meeting point where important decisions are made, knowledge is shared out, and moments of recreation and learning can be taken in by everyone. Visitors should look and now careful because they might come across surprising experiments and activities that make science fun. Finally, you must not miss the Gold Museum is a place you must visit if you want to understand Colombia's history. Inside you can come across exhibitions that go over the life of different indigenous communities in the country. You will find out about their construction, jewelry, and figure made of gold, as well as the tools and rituals they use. Visitors could take in the because of these artifacts and should think about the importance of preserving cultural heritage. In conclusion, both Mallorca and the Gold Museum are perfect places to visit if you want to learn, have fun, and discover Colombia's history and science. Thank you for watching. I hope you have the chance to visit this amazing place soon. Bye.